Kalimera, good morning. We are ready to go. And look, we're gonna fish today in Netherlands. WK's experience, I hope. My first fishing there. So, yes. And look, have a look. We're gonna fish with this boat, with this crazy boat. Now we transferred all the stuff from here to Andreas' car and we are ready to go. Okay, so we left the Cologne and we are on the way to Netherlands. It's a little bit cold outside. It's something like 6 degrees or something like this. It's like very cold. Here is my friend Andreas and here is my friend Michael. We have the boat behind. With also electric motor guide. And I am very excited. Very excited about this fishing. After like 8-9 months, I will fish again. So yes, catastrophe. I will open you again when we are a little bit closer, or if I have something to show you. So until then, ciao. Hey, I know my English is a little bit shitty, but I will try my best because anyway I speak English with the guys here. So yes, let's make practice. And it's I think it's way better for everyone in English. So I will do my best.
Ja, musst du gucken, du hast jetzt da hinten eine richtig teure Batterie. Boah, jetzt haben wir noch einen, der zu filmen ist eigentlich zu weit weg, ne? Für was? Für eine Kamera, für ein Video. Wir sind ja auch nur ein bisschen schneller als 100. Ja, aber glaube ich nicht. Das glaube ich nicht, dass die uns hier mit 100 darf man ja. And it will be nice when we have this, yeah?
Yeah. Here. So we are on gas station to fill this baby. It's like I don't remember the name, how we call this boat, but it's like bass boat, like in the US, where they fish in the lakes for largemouth and stuff like that. We are like very close to Netherlands. That's the price, huh? It's also here expensive. 1.80. We're like, yes, we are near to Netherlands now. Στην Ολλανδία δηλαδή. Είμαστε πολύ κοντά στην Ολλανδία. And I hope to catch some very nice fish today. It's my first attempt with a boat like this or in Netherlands, and we will try to catch some Zander, maybe some pike, some perch, yellow perch, they call it bass here. So yes, wish me good luck. We take some coffee and we are ready to go. So yes, how cold is today is like yes, like 0.5 they told me, the guys here. The sunrise, we're like near to Netherlands now. We take a cup of coffee, black coffee. They don't have Freddo espresso here, but okay. From nothing it's better. And how much it costs, like this boat, or
Without electric techniques, around 40,000 bucks.
40,000? Okay.
Without echo load.
Without?
Without echo, without front motor, without
Engine?
engine, maybe in the price. No,
maybe in the
not
price.
The big ones.
Okay, yes.
It's
Like like yours, 50 horsepower?
That's maybe in the price. Could be if you buy Mercury with 50 horsepowers new, you pay around 9,000.
Wow, okay.
But, there's no steering wheel in or something like that.
Okay.
And
So like, wow. For complete the boat like yours, it costs something like 60?
in new,
No, like
in new, as new one.
yes,
Yeah.
as new one.
I think between 45 and
50.
50
Yeah.
rounds. My boat is 22 years old.
It's 22, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's built in 2000.
Wow.
The guy I bought this boat from, he bought this in the US and exported it to Europe.
Wow. Okay.
And there was old electric techniques on it, an old 12-volt Nakoda, an easy one, and a very small fish finder.
Yeah.
And old battery, just one. And I rebuilt it till
Everything
this.
new.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I also built new boxes in the deck,
Okay.
and so many things. And the structure of the inlay of the shape.
We are inside the Netherlands. First time I've been here, so
Nochmal aufwärmen, ja?
let's go. Φτάσαμε στο μέρος, σε ένα μικρό σαν λιμανάκι τέλος πάντων, και ετοιμάζουμε τη βάρκα για να καταφάσουμε τα πράγματα και τη βάρκα μέσα. Εδώ τα παλικάρια ετοιμάζουν την κατάσταση. Okay. Michael, I think it's too many stuff.
You think it's too many stuff?
Yeah?
This or what?
I have yours,
Yeah.
I have mine,
Okay.
I have this
Yeah,
jacket.
Okay.
I think it will be okay.
I think it's a good idea when we have a place on the boat for here the closest.
Okay.
It's better to have.
Okay, so I let it. Also
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
super.
Maybe for me or for you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
We take a little bit more clothes because we don't know how cold it can be today. Because we're gonna stay, I think, until the night on the boat. So we have to be warm because we will stay still like for too many hours. Okay. Let's go. I will close you guys and I will open again when we are inside the boat. Everything is freezing.
Yo.
Wow, it's so slippery here. Yeah, because of the ice.
Sleepy, ne? Yeah,
yes.
sleepy.
Oh, Bella. We are ready to go. Andreas, he gonna left the car somewhere. I don't know. We have the fish finder, motor guide. I'm feeling like I'm gonna live like a like a bus experience in USA. Okay, super. I'm so excited. Even if I catch fish, even not, I don't know. Crazy. And nothing from this is not gonna happen if I didn't know some basic English, so I can communicate with the guys here and learn each other and stuff like that. So make sure you learn some English and some different languages. Not like me, I wait like to go 28 years old to learn English. But okay, never it's too late. So fantastic. Andreas also gave me some gloves because it's freezing. It's 1 degree, I think. So yes, we have some company here and also some company here. Something like, it's not ducks, but I don't know what the fuck is it, but they are cute. We are on board, baby. crazy, 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 crazy.
Ja, der hat Power. Hat er 100? Wow. Macht das rein?
Wow, what is this? It's like σαν μαύρος κύκνος. Τι είναι αυτό?
Can you turn on the echo? Just hold for 1 second the button down right.
Okay. Unbelievable. What are they doing with so cold and so early morning? What the fuck, Boba? What are they doing? They fishing or the fishing here? Some people. They have also like motor guides and stuff like that. Good morning. It was the lure. It was the lure.
Der Lure.
Yeah.
So, haben wir viel Wasser drauf, ne?
Viel Wasser. Many water hier.
Yeah.
Wenn ihr Bock habt, könnt ihr Routen draufbauen.
Ah, wo war die gute Stelle? Wir waren hier die Brücke. Da geht die Richtung. Ach, da oben war das.
Έχει αρκετή ροή, λένε, το ποτάμι.
Hier war ja hier.
So we are in River Mass and let's go.
Take here for here.
Oh, hier. Hier und das. Okay.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah,
What
it's
you
warm.
Yes.
Okay, but there's nothing. So we check the wall.
So we have 3D scanner. Unbelievable.
Ja, wo war der Fisch? Da war der Fisch. Da war der Fisch. Aber hier fetter Zander, glaube ich, war da gerade.
Ja.
Alter, direkt neben mir.
Ja, dann baut mal die Routen auf.
The Zander
Ja.
like jumps here.
Ja,
Katastrophe.
aber hier guter Zander, so zack, an die Oberfläche schon wieder weg. Hier, that's your rod.
Okay. I can hold it.
Okay, ihr baut die Routen auf und ich fahre noch mal so lange hier die
Λοιπόν, ανοίγουμε από την άλλη κάμερα τώρα.
Der geht wirklich unter, der stimmt. Bin mal gespannt. Kann sein, dass der heller, genau, das ist auch.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see what we can do.
Ja, das ist dieser Möbi.
This way until we have the bunch on the side. Or be careful, because maybe I have to turn the boat.
Yeah.
Das ist schon echt lange nicht mehr benutzt, weil die Batterien immer am Arsch waren.
Foto vom Dach. Egal.
Bravo.
Keine Erinnerung ist immer gut.
First cast, first Zander. With a little creature on the bottom
Can you do a photo?
from Andreas. Yes, of course.
I don't know where my mobile.
Nice.
Andreas, das habe ich aus Gewohnheit. Du weißt, was ich meine mit Gewohnheit. Ja, Petri, Alter. Petri heil, Junge. Super gut.
Geht gut los.
Geht super los.
Hoffentlich läuft das so weiter.
Wow. Und auf den Hook, ne?
Yeah,
And
fantastic.
this pintail maybe effect. Yeah,
Wow, super.
too much stuff.
Too much stuff.
All this.
You can fish for your whole life with
Yeah, right.
easy. Thank you.
It's so nice to go with an engine that works.
Yeah.
So the other one sometimes that didn't work like you want to. But no more money is empty till next Easter.
Okay.
That was a bit expensive, the new battery and this one.
Aber ich hab noch keinen Lust damit. Noch keinen? Nee.
Maybe should alternate something smaller here or
Yeah, you can. I have a crab,
uh-huh.
and if I go for something like this, I would try a bit smaller.
Okay.
3.5, 4.
Okay.
Ich habe jetzt noch nicht wieder geguckt, aber an dem letzten Spot hat er gesagt, kann man so weitermachen, irgendwie 60 Stunden alle. Also ist richtig geil. Also die Nummer mit für die Echos hole ich mir noch mal eine 12er separat. Brauche ich nicht.
Kannst du dir schenken?
Also aktuell kann ich mir schenken.
Quatsch einfach. Ja.
Genau.
Quatsch. Unnötige Arbeit, unnötiger zusätzlicher Tümmel.
Ja, es ist auch dann weniger Platz auch, ne?
Ja, und halt noch mehr Zeug auf dem Boden. Ja.
Ja, und wieder noch ein Ladegerät.
Ja. Das ist doch geil.
Richtig geil. Naja, hat jetzt auch mal eben, also mit einem Schein,
We don't see something
Cent noch nicht zusammengerechnet, 4,5.
in the fish finder until now. Something interesting.
Ja.
But it's a bigger hole somewhere there, and maybe in the edges it's something.
Bei dem Loch. Bei dem Gelbloch.
Ja, Richtig. Wie hoch ist denn der Rhein jetzt?
1,68 Meter oder so.
Okay. A lot of stuff here, as you can see.
Also kannst du wahrscheinlich eine Radhose anziehen und dann noch auf die Buchen gehen.
Boah, würde ich aber.
Searching for a lure.
Mach keinen
What I was
Scheiß
using
da.
before,
Bleib
but-
nicht alleine.
I don't know where it is. Maybe it's here. No. Okay. Anyway.
Nee, da macht halt keinen Sinn. Aber 3,70, ja, da kannst du auch daran gut angeln. Da ist wahrscheinlich der Wassereinlauf
Use
gerade
also
so
something like
Oberkante
this.
weg, oder?
Yes.
Könnte sein, dass das Geländer müsste man.
If it's not this a pike place, so where?
Yeah, that is right. Meinst du, wir können mal gerade was langsamer fahren? Andreas, du kannst das mit der Fernbedienung einstellen, dass wir mal kurz
I now try with a Shimano Silent Assassin
Also kann natürlich sein, dass die Kanten sind, aber es sieht nicht
163 millimeters.
Findet man ja echt ganz gute Stelle im Vergleich zu den anderen.
Okay. The guy something see in the machine, I think.
Ja, das muss man natürlich probieren. Muss man kurz probieren.
It was too close, huh?
No, it's okay. I feel it, yeah, I feel it. The wind from the bait.
Yeah.
What was the hook? I don't know.
Don't worry, free piercing.
Yeah. Free neck piercing.
Das ist ein Nachteil beim Mond. Aufpassen, das poppt so auf.
Wie klappt es nicht?
Das ist nicht das Mono, was ich auf der Hand habe.
It's like the place is awesome.
Nee, das ist ein Mono.
We live from the main river. We come here, it's like for sure it's more clear the water and it's calm. I think it's like something like a lake, but it's connected to the main river.
Vielleicht auch nur so, weil die noch nicht lang genug drauf ist.
Τραγωδία. Τραγωδία, it means tragic.
What?
Τραγωδία, it means tragic.
Stratig.
No tragic. Tragic. Tragic.
Tragedy.
Tragedy.
Tragedy, yes.
Ah, tragedy.
Yeah. Spinnerbait.
Spinnerbait.
Heavy spinner. Big spinnerbait.
Oi, 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 oi. Okay.
There's I'm not sure how.
No, I don't like spinnerbaits and stuff like this.
Yeah.
Crankbait, jerkbaits. Jerkbaits.
But I think they are all not sinking. Maybe the Arno is no, it's not really sinking.
Yeah.
this one is sinking. This was for bass, for sea bass. Swimming. Suspending. Most of them are suspending.
No. You have something like a sinking pencil.
Yes, I have, but I think I don't have it here.
Okay.
Chatterbait.
What is this? Oh,
With
soft lure, something like this.
with soft lure, and you got this bzzz, like a crank,
Okay.
and you can push it up and bzzz. Maybe you can knead, and if it's big like this with 28, it's fast.
Yeah.
And I use this with what is that? Okay. With sometimes craw or like this ones. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
If you want to try, and you don't need. You can also try.
Yeah, I will
another
try.
bait. And top water.
In top water it's an option.
There's
Yeah.
for sea bass.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not sure if it sinks or.
No, it's not sinks.
And the,
I got this in the past, but
yeah,
not like so much fish. Yeah, Bonnie.
yeah. I like these ones. These are the mega bass.
Okay. Look, I will try this
Yeah.
after soft lure. When I was fishing, because I fish most of the times in the river mouth,
Yeah.
this walk the dog, because the fresh water with the salt water
Yeah.
goes under the surface, and nothing. Nothing. One time it goes under the surface and then bite the sea bass, but all the other fishes, nothing.
Ich denke, jetzt könnte ich die Wege mal rausfahren und die Kante suchen, wo es plötzlich so tief wird.
Ja.
Weißt du, was ich meine? Weil hier ging jetzt auch echt gar nichts. Ne? Man kann natürlich noch gucken, aber weil wir auf dem Echo auch nichts sehen, ne?
Ist tot.
Dann ist wirklich nicht gut.
Aber wir sind genau am Anfang der Kante, ne? Da geht's runter.
Mhm. Genau, es geht irgendwo da hinten runter. Aber richtig krass.
Very promising area for a pike, I think, or a Zander.
What?
Very promising area for something like a pike or Zander. Promising, it means like
Too early?
not too early. It's like how can I tell you? It looks okay for fish.
Yeah, it looks great for fish.
Yeah. At least from outside. Ah, look.
Mhm.
Maybe I will use it as a bait.
Yeah. Yeah, that inside.
We have a better luck.
Ihr könnt mir sowas von Malaka und Petri sagen. Aber ganz little. It's a little.
It's
Aber
okay,
ihr
it's
wollt
okay.
sein.
A little perch.
Ah,
Finally. Finally. Congratulations.
Number 2.
At least it's something.
Malaka, Malaka.
Click
Ey.
in für dich.
Katastrophe.
Das wurde Zeit, Mann. Das wurde Zeit. Ja, überleg mal, think about it, all the day
Yeah.
long.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Fish here, ja, all the day long.
Yeah, true.
Er hat sich so vorsichtig vorgebissen. He takes it so sensible, yeah? Not now, yeah? He strikes fourths, fifths.
Okay.
Yeah.
Strikes too many times.
Yeah, yeah.
We have also fish in Greece. We call it perka, like perch, but it's almost the same shape. I will show you in the in photo,
Yeah, so, yeah.
and it's also very beautiful fish, but it doesn't grow.
Yeah, I know this.
much.
It's blue and
Yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah.
round fish, yeah? Little bit round, not round or oval.
And this also looks very nice place here.
Ja.
Yeah.
Very nice.
For us, at least, it's very nice. I don't know for the fish.
Gut, jetzt kommt auch Peak Time, ja? Now we have a peak time. Ja,
It's good time, you mean?
yeah, it's a good time, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's try our best. Also, at the night should be very active, the fish, huh?
Ja.
Auch ein Stranger Spot. Ja, das könnte auch so ein Computergame von Counter-Strike sein oder so, wo wir uns jetzt hier befinden, ja. So level like a computer game, ja.
Yeah.
Der Atmosphäre.
Fantastic, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
Here, without fish, it's fantastic. Yeah. Imagine if we catch something.
Und, Mama.
Ja.
Und die neue Batterie und der Motor und so alles, ne?
Gleich, ne?
Alter, ne? Ja, für Zander und Barsch, ne? Was
Genau.
tun wir nicht alles, ne?
Fahren wir da in die Ecke rein. Vielleicht ein bisschen ab. Entzündung oder Shotgun?
Welche Militär?
Exhaust or Shotgun?
It was like shotgun.
Ja.
Duck hunting.
Maybe.
Before like 12 years, since I start fishing, a lake with too many fishes inside, too many. You can imagine how many tons of fish. because of the rough weather, like 10, 11 before.
There's something following
I think
between your lure? Small one? Just
I didn't see something. I don't know.
I'm not sure. Maybe,
Anyway, and
maybe small bat.
maybe. And because of the weather, too much fish get out of the lake, and all the near beaches, some especially some places with small river mouths and stuff like that,
Yeah.
full of fish, full of sea bass. Everyone catches sea bass except me. Everyone. You can imagine fish like this.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
5 kilos, 6 kilos, 7 kilos fishes. Full, everyone. Maybe they catch 40 in one day, one person.
That's good.
Yeah, it's not good because now it's nothing.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
But
So in the Netherlands, I'm not sure if you fish for sea bass, you are allowed to take, I think, one per person per day,
okay,
and it have to be over 45 centimeters,
Okay.
I think. And in France, I'm not sure but I think you are allowed to get two maximum.
yeah, and they have I think size you can take like something between this centimeters and this centimeters.
Yeah.
Not too small, but also not too big.
Yeah. So
In Greece,
if I take sea bass in France, I just take maximum one fish a day, because my daughter, my wife and me sea bass around 50 or 55 centimeters. That's enough for 2 days.
Okay, because I eat a sea bass like this only alone in one day.
Yeah.
But yes, the law says in Greece max 5 kilos per person, and for sea bass it's under 25 centimeters. Καταστροφα.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's too small,
Right.
this kind of fish on this size. But no one cares. No one cares. They keep even this sea bass. This size sea bass, they keep it. Some people.
Why? What do they do with?
They eat it. I don't know. It's καταστροφα.
Yeah.
It's perfect for the pan.
Yeah.
And sometimes I was catching like some good fishes in front of them, and I throw it back and it was like, oh my god, what the
Yeah,
fuck are you doing?
Yeah.
I was like, yes, motherfuckers. Suck my dick now.
If you are fishing in Cologne in the Rhine, and you got the same if you throw a Zander bag with 60 centimeters or something like that. People are, oh.
Yeah. I have a video. No.
I don't go fishing for meal, so
Yeah.
in the holidays or sometimes I take fish with me, but
One time in Greece, I was fishing and with many people around me, and I catch a fish, a small leer fish, 1.5 kilos, something like that. And it was a woman beside me and told me, "Oh, poor fish, oh, poor fish." Yeah, look. I remove the hooks from the fish and I throw it back. And it said me, "Why did you throw it back the fish?
Huh?
Why do you throw back fish? Katastrofa." Katastrofa.
This is very shallow on the right side.
Okay,
This is a bit more like this.
okay.
And over there,
Mm-hmm.
this is the place where I catch this one. Wait. Every time I am here, I go for it to look if he swims around there,
Whoa.
but I haven't caught the last time. This one.
Wow.
So 43 or
Wow.
I think 43, 46 was the only one fish that day.
Wow. But a record fish.
Yeah. And this is the rapfen.
Whoa. They grow like this, so big?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm not, and it's not like this in the camera.
Yeah.
I got this from my stomach.
Yeah.
It's too fat to.
Yeah. For the size.
But I had nothing to measure. I'm not sure if it's 90 or is it 1 meter. I don't know.
Wow.
It's around 10 kilos.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, monster. Monster. And they fight well?
I didn't look on my watch. It feels like 45 minutes.
Wow.
I think the fight was something between 7, 8 or 15 minutes.
Wow.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
It was on a spinning rod, 15 to 38 grams or something like that, an Exoga blank
Okay.
on a hard bait. Petri.
Ja,
Katastrophe.
Petri, Malakka, Junge, Malakka. Moment. We take a net for this, but
Really?
Yeah, you can put it.
yeah, you can put it. Really.
Katastrofa. Okay.
Here, you can hold it here, yeah?
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah.
Don't worry. You can make a photo?
Give me the rod.
Wait.
What do you mean? Okay.
Give me the rod. I have to hold. What a beautiful fish. Come here.
I hope he lives.
Yeah, he will live.
Ja, alles gut. Perfekt. Ja, Alter, gut.
Thank you.
Very good. Ja.
Jeder
Urlaub wenigstens ein. Yeah, on this bait, yeah?
Yeah.
That
I
you
yesterday.
have bite in the
Yesterday.
shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good idea.
Fuck my life. Thanks a lot. I thought it was like a, you know, like a wood or something like this.
Okay.
If I wasn't live tomorrow, I will keep it to try how it tastes, because they told me it's a nice.
Yeah, nice. Then. Nice fish. Here is it not allowed to take a fish home.
Really?
Yeah, really. Here in Remont you must every fish. Kannst du nicht mehr werfen?
Okay. Wow.
Also irgendwas ist das.
So we are going back. That's it for today. I think we spent like almost 12 hours in the water. Unfortunately we caught like only 4 fishes. At least it's something from nothing. Not something great. 2 Zander and 2 perch, but okay. I got my first perch, so it's for sure something good. But yes, okay. Next time better.